how to download and play GRID Autosport on Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and play GRID Autosport game on your Android or iOS. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store or App Store on your device, respective device, and just search in for GRID Autosport, just like this. So once you search in for that, just before you download, as you can see, it has over 1.3 GB of space. So just make sure you have enough space or storage under your device before being able to download it. So once you have enough storage, just tap on this install button over here and it should automatically start downloading and installing the game GRID Autosport on your device, so which is available for free on your Play Store. And if you have your strong Wi-Fi connection, it should be downloaded very soon, just like that. So it's one of the free high graphic racing games available on your Play Store, so you can check it out for yourself by simply downloading and installing it from over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.